Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly you have to hold down power key plus volume down. I mean, don't hold it, just press it slightly like I did right now. Power key, volume down. And that's how you can take a screenshot so easily. Then you can find your screenshots in gallery, in the screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.